Hey guys, it's John P. with Texas Metalworks. I'm going to demonstrate how you can safely flip one of our welding tables so long as you have access to a forklift and a little piece of wood. So this can be done with just one person. Obviously, you'll see with more people it would be easier and or safer. If you don't have a forklift, you know, that's a different story altogether. But here's how we do it. If you have casters, make sure to lock them. That's it. Obviously, if you've got a bigger table, you may need to lean it a little more forward. The good news is that even if you go a little too far and it slams flat, we've done it many times, it's not going to hurt the table, just makes a loud noise. But you want to try and prevent that if possible. So that's how you do it. Feel free to make us a video if you got a better idea. Thanks a lot. Bye.